Hey guys, today we will make a baby blanket in less than 5 minutes. So it's very simple. You just need 2 pieces of fabric. Here I have a minky fabric and the other one is a fleece. Okay, let's go to the fashion glamour room and see my sweetie for his help. Okay, so right now I'm gonna pin all those things, and as you can see, you just have to kind of like cut everything like really square. So the reason why I'm pinning right now is to make sure that I can cut the minky under to size. So I'm cutting the minky, and both pieces of material will be exactly the same size, so that's why I'm doing that. And once we'll be done, we're going to sew them together. Obviously I will show you how it is done and how we can do a good job while doing that. I didn't have a lot of space on my work table in the sewing the sewing room, so basically I had to do it on the floor. So here we have the 2 pieces right now, and we're very close to be able to put them together. It's pretty exciting. It's going to be a nice baby blanket. It's so soft, the material is just excellent. And we're going to use my big serger. Let me know if you want any tutorial about that serger. That thing is excellent. The Singer serger, 5 threads. Okay, so now I'm going to, since everything is pinned down, I'm going to put a little bit of stabilizer. So I didn't really show when I'm using the stabilizer, but for these materials you really need a stabilizer, because if not, you'll have a lot of problem with your machine. The machine will not be able to perform really well. So for this one, I'm going to use some water-soluble stabilizer. So now I'm using the serger, putting this together, and it's working really well. The serger is nice and fast. So I kind of like put the knife, so the knife is cutting the excess, as you can see. So it trims whatever I didn't really cut with the scissors. So far so good. Like we are possibly about 2 minutes in, really in real time. I just accelerated the video because I don't want to bore you guys with everything. You know what I mean. Okay, so we're serging away, and we're going to continue to do so all around, because what we will try to do here is to serge as far as we can, and after that, and as you can see, we have both material on the wrong side. They're both on the wrong side, and then we're going to keep a little opening to actually get the blanket out. So that's exactly what we're doing right now. So the blanket is putting back together inside out. So you'll see how professional and just amazing it looks. So the stitches are just perfect, seamless, and now I just have to do the rest by hand. So there's kind of a hole on the side, as you saw. So that's just gonna be taken care of by hand with a needle, and it's very, very easy. It's kind of an invisible stitch. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. So that's the result. We're so close. We're about possibly a minute away to finish all of this. So I'm very excited about it, as you can see. So that's going really, really well. So now we are doing the end stitching that I'm talking about. So it was possibly about what, 2 inches that I left, so that we could have our blanket being pull inside out, if you know what I mean. So we're almost done the stitch. So that's like really easy. If like you guys want me to show you some hand sewing tutorials too, like let me know in the comments. That's something that I could do it for you, so like that you know how to do it. But I'm pretty sure that most of you know how to do it, but let me know. So one more stitch. We're very close, very close. I should make a last knot here, like to, yeah, that's exactly it, to secure it. I like to do two actually. That's perfect. Yeah, now we know that it's solid. We will cut this thread here, and we're pretty much ready to roll. Also, like, keep in mind, like, you have to use stabilizer, like with the serger, and the stabilizer has to be water soluble, so like that, like, you don't end up with like a crunchy blanket. You really don't want that. So yeah, everything's perfect. It looks like you know, that hole never existed, and it seems, actually, I can tell you that I'm very proud and happy about this end result. It's pretty nice, it looks very professional, and we're winning. So like let me know in the comment what you think.